Siphiwe Tshabalala is among the players who have bucked the trend of going broke shortly after calling time on their careers and continues to be financially savvy. But Tshabalala revealed that his financial discipline started even before he joined Kaizer Chiefs. When Tshabalala joined Chiefs from Free State Stars in 2000, he already had multiple streams of income, although it was not mammoth numbers. He started earning at the Glamour Boys. The dreadlocked midfielder is a Nedbank Cup ambassador and has been sharing his financial story with members of the media. Tshabalala detailed how he managed to implement sound financial decisions upon turning professional back in 2004, something that has kept him afloat 20 years later, and said, "So with me, I started to plan a life after football immediately when I started turning professional. So I didn't wait to play for Chiefs to start thinking, investing. I started when I was still at Free State Stars, earning a little, and I developed that into a habit, and then from habit it was a principle now. Whenever you have money, you save and then you spend what's left. You don't spend and save what's left." Yes, there were mistakes. I got my fingers bent. I managed to recover, so it's best to start early. Make mistakes, learn from them, recover, pay your school fees. That's what they say, rather than putting the whole body and getting bent. So when I arrived at Chiefs, already I had an extra income from my appearances. And now the brand grew, and then I think endorsements came. So I will tell myself, in my mind, the investments were not from the money that I made outside, including your national team bonuses. That money was not for me to use, but for me to invest. So I was so comfortable doing that because I was used to it. It was a principle, even though I've made mistakes, but it was a principle. That's why I survived, and not to say I didn't want those things. I wanted them. There were temptations. When you are guided by principle, then there's that resistance, and now it's even better. You have Nedbank that also provides a platform to have these kinds of conversations with people that have the expertise on this. So you've got players who've walked the journey that can tell the story, and the story will bring about positive change. You've got professionals as well that will help you to look after your money and lose that narrative that when you go to the ATM to check the balance, you see the zeros. You are happy. Even if there's no zeros, but your money is nowhere there, it's still fine, it's still a win. So that's where the Nedbank finance team comes in, to give you different options, and not only players. I'm talking about you as journalists. I'm talking about professionals, lawyers, doctors, everyone. It's a problem that we encounter, but the sad thing is with that, our career is short. So once you encounter this problem, it's difficult to recover. So we need to learn quickly how to save, and also how to value money, how to respect money. And when I speak to people, I always tell them to respect money, and value each and every cent that you have. And if you take care of the cents, the rents will take care of themselves. So if you have 20 rand, you value 20 rand. By the time you have 1000 rand, you are good. So that's my view, my attitude, and that's what I've been doing. That's been working for me, and I'm quite happy with the progress that I've made thus far. But there's also an opportunity for me to learn as well, and be a better person, and also be a better business person in that regard. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.